And welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can avoid plagiarism using ChatGPT. Basically, plagiarism is what you is when you it was when you take someone else's work and you state it as your own. It's pretty bad, pretty illegal, and you would want to avoid it at all costs. So there's a couple of ways you can use ChatGPT to avoid plagiarism. And the first thing is that, but actually before I do this, generally ChatGPT tends to not have a high percentage of plagiarism if you use it to create essays or anything. But if you want to, remove plagiarism from your own essay, is that you can basically just get your essay, write it, and just write remove plagiarism. Okay. Another thing is that you're going to write the questions in a different way. Okay. So basically, if I want to write an essay about cars, I'm going to write it like this, and you should copy me. Basically, I'm going to write for ChatGPT is write and answer these questions. Okay. What is a car? How cars move. Okay. What is the difference between a V12 and a V8? Okay. I'm just going to write these questions, and ChatGPT is going to basically write and answer these questions. After I did some research, this way actually cuts plagiarism really, really, really well. Okay, so this is one of the best ways to actually remove plagiarism, or you can just take one of the best ways if you want a ChatGPT to write for you an essay. But if you want to remove plagiarism, okay, you're going to write what ChatGPT just wrote, okay, and I'm going to write remove, okay, remove plagiarism, okay. And it's going to start doing this, okay? So, and now this is also going to cut the plagiarism even more, and you're going to have a free of plagiarism essay. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.